Ma'am?
Hmm.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, I can listen.
What doing from laptop?
Yes, I'm doing from laptop, and this is actually my office. I'm sitting means yeah.
You have your office.
Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
Yes.
ma'am.
is one of the space where you can just
This is
start.
Byju's app.
What?
Ma'am, this is Byju's app.
Yes, Byju's not app.
Are you from Ideal Public School, ma'am?
Yeah, I am from. Why?
Byju's.
Why? Just why I'm asking you. Anyone told me you? Are who just asked me why? I'm just asking you.
Ma'am, you are from which school?
Ideal Public School. Why? Okay, let me just.
Ma'am, I am also from.
Okay. In which up to which class you have read?
Ma'am, I have read up to class 4.
Ma'am, Swastik then from small.
Up to class 4, I used to take the class from there in the middle section. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is why you didn't know me. One of the student
Ma'am,
of standard.
I read there from KG1.
Oh, why you left?
Ma'am, don't know.
Yeah, that is your parents' decision, I guess so. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so please write down the question. Numerator, you all know. Okay, so I am just telling only solve the question number 1, 3. Write down it very fast. 1, 3 and solve it. Very easy. Question number 1, 3. Write down the numerator. Right. Don't see. I'm just telling that thing so that you can just see it nicely. Okay. So write down the numerator of the following rational numbers. Write down the question. Write down the numerator of the following rational number.
Ma'am, completed.
So yeah, 3. Question number 3 you do. I'm just will be the answer, right? So this sum is done. 1, 3. I hope so all of you done. Going to the next problem. One problem we will solve from here. Okay, write down the denominator of the each we will not do. 2, 3 you do. 2, 3 you do. 2, 3 you do. Okay. So 2, 3
Ma'am,
you do. Yes. 2, 3 this sum you do. Write down the question. Write down the denominator of the following rational number. Write down the question. Just copy this fraction, and afterwards you will just write down the answer also. Answer will be minus 82. You all know. Numerator means here if it is this fraction, here whatever is sitting in the top, this part is known as numerator. Okay, and here which is just sitting on the below, which part is sitting on the below, this is actually known as denominator.
hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can listen. Tell me now.
First, one question.
First question I showed you so many times. You haven't written. Write down the question 2. Afterwards, I am showing. When I am telling you to do, you are not doing it.
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
Yes, 2, 3 means only this sum you have to do. Okay, not all. One sum today we will do. Rest of the sum I will be posted. I will be posting as the question. Okay. So here you can see question 5 also you copy. Question 5 also you copy.
Ma'am, this denominator will be 1.
No, Zero's denominator will be any number, or because defined by 0 is not possible. Any number it can be. You can write 0 by 10, answer will be 0, right? 0 by 1000, answer will be 0. 0 by minus 10, answer will be 0. So nothing we can mention specifically.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, it is done.
Mm,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So zero's answer, we are going to see that what is the zero's answer. Okay. So here this is by mistaken, here you have just denominator is any non-zero integer. You have seen here any non-zero integers means what? 0 by minus 100, also I can write answer will come as 0. But never here, it cannot be 0, never, because something by 0, some integers by 0, this is not defined. Am I clear? This is not
I am,
defined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am, I am telling that A by B.
Ma'am, tell again. Ma'am, tell again.
Any
B is not
non-zero integer. Non-zero means what? Zero, it will not, anytime it will not be zero, because any number by zero, this thing, okay, this thing, whatever I'm just writing on my screen, this thing is not defined at all. Understandable? Is it understandable to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yeah, done it is. So I am going to the next. I will just upload this entire thing to you. Okay. So
Ma'am, A B
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah,
is
yeah.
not equal.
I'm not understanding.
Ma'am, A by B and B is not equal to 0.
So here
Ma'am,
you
yes,
just copy. Yeah, I will erase. Here copy question number 7. Here you all copy question number 7. Here you that this is, I'm just doing the selected part, but I will just upload the entire this chapter of the R.D. Sharma in your study material. Okay, this books also I told yesterday, so I will upload.
Okay, ma'am.
Afterwards, I will show the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, you will send these all things in
Ma'am,
study
completed.
material.
I will send everything. This entire chapter I will try to download and I will send.
Okay, ma'am.
These things I'm just, this is a revision class. Okay, so that is why I am just saving this, sending this, trying to say you. Now separate positive and negative rational numbers. Rational numbers means here you can see that I hope that sir has already told you to that what is, you all can see my screen so.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So I hope that, suppose take this number -5 and -7. When here both the numerator and denominator place it is minus, the rational number becomes 5/7. Okay. This is a very basic rules of integers. I hope that you all have learned. So this is become positive integers. That is why here it is just, they have just said a rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either positive integers or both are negative integers. Means both, if numerator and denominator place, if it is both negative, means both is having the sign of minus, that is when it will be a positive integer. Okay. And if any one of the integer is coming, one of them, either denominator or numerator is negative, so it will be a negative rational numbers. Okay, is it clear to all of you? So here you can see which I am underlining below, these are actually negative, these are actually
Negative integers.
positive,
And negative integer.
positive. All these are coming as positive. All these are, and here which I'm marking, these are all negative. Now coming to the
Yes, ma'am.
zero. Zero is here you can just write zero in both the
Ma'am,
ways.
neither negative nor positive.
Not positive, yes. Because zero, if I'm writing zero like this will come as positive. Okay, so we will leave this. This is neither positive, neither negative. Right? Done. It is, this kind of questions will be there. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
very easy, conceptual, but not from your book. All the things are not from your book, I told already, are positive. I hope that this thing also you can do, or negative also you can just do. Yeah. So coming to the next.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in maths, in our math exam, how the questions will come?
That prototype of questions I have not made, means practice questions. Okay, so I am giving you some instructions. Listen to it very, very, very carefully. I'm just stopping this share for a while. Okay, I'm sharing a whiteboard here. Whenever I'm telling, I will just take mock exams. Mock exams, you mean, I think you will understand. Mock exams means what? Well, not now. I think by the end of the next week. So how the mock exams will be there? Here you can see you will not have any kind of OMR. Okay, or school will provide only those subjects OMR sheets which is going to be means which answers means which exams will be there. So you will take one white page and here you will write your name, like the way this is my name. I'm just writing your name. Suppose
My
today's date is and subject also mathematics. Okay,
data
Math-
subject. Ma'am,
date,
roll number.
wait, mathematics. Here you will write standard 7. Roll is you got, I don't know.
No, ma'am.
Roll is
No,
not
ma'am.
there.
No, ma'am.
So leave that part. Okay.
Nothing.
And please
nothing
write
is
the
added in the
date.
roll.
Date is what? Date is, suppose I'm taking on 10th June. Okay. So write 10/6 2021 in a white A4 size paper. Okay, preferably, and write mathematics mock exam, mock test 1. In the question it is written, and I will share the
Ma'am, what
question.
is the meaning of mock test?
Mock test means this is actually not not a proper test, practice test. Okay, or
Okay, ma'am.
and here afterwards you can just see one question, suppose the answer will come C, so you will write C. Two answers, suppose come the answer D. Okay, this is the mock. Like this you have to write everything, all these things. OMR you don't have to draw, and because drawing OMR and practicing it's very difficult, so I am just not telling you to do. But this part you can do though. At least suppose I'm giving you 15 question you can solve in the class, and you can just take a snap. And where you will post, I will just open one pre-assignment section, there you can post. Suppose 4's answer is C. Okay, 5 answer is B. Yes, these things you will write when I will share the question, and when I will take this type of mock test, I will let you know.
ম্যাম এতক্ষণ ছাদে ছিলাম কানেকশন পড়তেছে এবার ভালো কানেকশন আছে নিচে পালিয়ে এলাম
Okay, so this type of things you have to write in the white page, and you have to share it. Okay, where you have to send it, you have, I will open one assignment section, I will give some question. From there you can just find out what questions it's what, and revision also we will do at that time. Okay,
ম্যাম
okay, is it clear to all
Okay,
of
ma'am.
you? I have to say
Yes.
much more
Yes,
about
ma'am.
this on the day of exam? I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
think so. So please attend the exam. When I will take the exam, I will give one notice on the chat section. Please see it and reply on it. Okay, so I'm stopping sharing, and I am just going to the previous things what I have just read. And Adi Sharma's book I will give questions. Definitely I will give questions. Okay, see here the questions are means given like that, you have to solve it by pen, by in a pen paper or somewhere you have to, yeah, whatever. But in the exam, how the question, suppose fill in the blanks, this kind of questions I can provide. Okay, so straightly this kind of questions how I will provide. Suppose 3-1 question I'm giving, I will provide 5/7 equal to, this is blank space, this is by 35. Okay, and I am giving you five options. Suppose first I'm giving you 25, B I giving you -25, afterwards I'm giving you 20, and afterwards I'm giving you none. D option I'm giving you none. Like this way I will frame the question. Is it getting clear? Yes, -25,
And minus
-25,
25.
because we are multiplying it with 5, with 5, and this is coming as -25. So this will be
Yes,
your
ma'am.
answer. Okay, so you have to choose like that. Adi Sharma's book, I will
Okay,
give
ma'am.
the question like that, means I will frame the questions from here, not changing any kind of number, but the question framing pattern, since it is the MCQ type exam, this will be a little different. Am I clear?
ম্যাম it will be different ম্যাম
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be different
Yes, ma'am.
from the previous exam it will be different or the or
No,
it
no,
will
no,
be
no, 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 no. Previous, though, you are having, you have given the MCQ type of question. This ABCD 4 options will be there. One option you
Question
have to,
pattern will be same only.
yes,
The
set a
numbers are not
means
same.
two Zoom
Okay.
session. Two Zoom session will be there. Okay, again I'm repeating. I think that you have not attended your class. Within first Zoom session, 20 questions we will show, and on the second Zoom session we will show the rest of the 20 questions. Okay, like this way we will just conduct the exam. And the question
Okay.
I will frame, suppose I have to give the questions from here, how I will frame the question like this in the MCQ. Okay, answers will be given, but don't be puzzled. See here 25 is also there, also -25 is there, right? So
So
just,
we have to give the
yeah,
right answer. It is negative
Yeah.
or positive.
yeah. Okay, so is it clear? I'm
Okay.
just clearing this drawing. You just solve this all the problems. Okay, you just solve this all the problems. Here, fill in the blanks. this thing you just try to solve. First sums already I have done. Rest of the sums you try to solve. Afterwards I will show.
Ma'am, there will be HCF also.
HCF is there in your syllabus. Mainly I will follow the syllabus from the book and I will give the question from by R.D. Sharma, NCERT and all. So let me see how much I can cover up. Okay. Everything, if
Okay,
I
ma'am.
can't cover up, I will put everything in the study material. You have to do by your own.
Okay, ma'am.
That doesn't mean that if you are doing in the holiday, you are asking, ask me in the chat section, ma'am, this is the problem, how to solve. I will just I will try to make you understand.
Bye, ma'am.
Why?
Bye, ma'am.
Why?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Why? I haven't given the attendance.
Bye, ma'am.
Why you all are leaving?
I'm not leaving, ma'am.
I'm not leaving, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am
Yeah.
not.
Why everyone saying? Because today I will take the entire Zoom session to solve the sums. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I am present.
This is, I'm not updating your attendance. Some other teacher has updated the attendance.
Hello, ma'am.
After game खेल जीरा था चलेशा.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me, I am giving the attendance.
No, I am present.
I am giving the attendance. What I am telling, I am just putting it down. Wait for a while.
আমি তো ওইখানটা 400 করতে পারে আর যেমন 400 করে 400 করে
I have given the attendance. If you are feeling like class is not important, you can leave. Okay, rest of the answers, these questions answers I am showing. Wait for a while. This is the explanation. Okay. This is one's explanations, rest of the explanations are here.
Ma'am, say one standard, 2 students is joining. Lamia. And I'm leaving also.
I think there his brother or sister is there and by mistake he has just clicked on that link. Okay, and rest explanations. You just try to see.
Now, who is this man?
Who?
No, what is the
Ma'am,
name? I
again
can't
she is
understand.
joining.
Lamia, yeah. Lamia, this is not your class. Lamia even says standard 2A. This is not your class. Please leave this class. Prince, now you have joined. I will not give that index.
Yes, ma'am.
Prince, you are joined now. I have made you absent. Okay.
No, ma'am.
So let me
I
update it.
joined at
Let
12:40.
me update. Please do these sums. I will just explain. I will try to explain.
Okay, ma'am.
Here questions I guess you all got. Okay, let me explain this thing. So the first here you all can see -5/7 is here, and here you have to just do it like this. Now how much we are multiplying? We are multiplying 5, and like this we will multiply 5 and it will come as -25. So in this blanks it will be -25. Okay, so here next is 49. Now here 49 we will just consider the first given fraction. Okay, whatever fill in the blanks is there, we will consider it with the given fractions. Okay, so 49 is here, it will be, that means what we are here at
minus 35, ma'am.
yes, we are just multiplying by 7. So here multiplying by 7, so the answer is coming like -45 by 49. Like this way the answers are coming. Okay, so first sum is done. Second sum I am showing. Second
Ma'am,
sum,
that will be minus 35.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, -35 it will be. I'm so sorry. That will be -35. Okay, because -5/7 we are multiplying 7 here and also here I'm thinking 35 but writing 45. Okay, and saying 45 also. -35 and it will be 49. Okay, next sum is -9 minus and here, so we have to multiply so that it is coming as +18. Okay, here one important thing, +18 it has came. That means here we have multiplied it by -2 clearly. So here also
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
multiply by
Ma'am, -8.
so
Ma'am, +8.
okay, here okay, let me just explain. Here it is a very good habit that if we are going to write two consecutive signs by giving bracket, okay, so it is -8. Oh, sorry, +8, right? So it is +8. Oh my god, this is +8. Like this way rest of the sums is done. Okay, since the timing is up, I have just, yes Javed, what is the
No, ma'am, the by mistake.
yeah, so rest of the sums I will upload in your study material section. Today I am just leaving this class. Okay, thank you everyone for joining, and tomorrow
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
I will just first do some maths computer we can do later also. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.